The Simplicity tractor a while ago. I don't know if I want to get it running again or not, because I need parts for that one, but see if it'll turn over. I put another, or a good battery in it. This tractor's locked up. The Simplicity 4211. So I'm gonna get a wrench, see if it'll turn over then. Dashboard off this thing because the wiring isn't good. Turn the key does nothing. So, but it all mouse nest stuff in under here. Probably take a seat off for the foam. Just clean it up and then see if there's any wiring issues. Just got it cleaned up. No, it's not the best, but just soap and water can do all this much. And I got the steering freed up too. It's a little bit hard without a steering wheel though. This whole thing torn down, and I don't know what to do because it still won't turn over. Still does nothing. And I don't really know what to do. There's a wiring connection somewhere. I'm pretty sure it's probably just solenoid, but I don't know how to test solenoids yet. So I'm gonna look up videos tonight. If you think what the problem is, put it down in the comments.